Now here's how we can adapt the iPhone layout to the iPad app. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, it depends on what exactly you mean by that, because there are apps on the iPad which can also be resized to be the layout of the iPhone app, right, so to speak. So for example, running the latest iOS 26, I can check out my settings and see the multitasking and gestures, and when I have the windowed apps section selected, it just means that I can get inside of my applications like that and just grab the bottom right corner of that application. So there is a little handle there, and I can resize it so I can make it look or reshape the window of the app on the iPad to make it look like on the iPhone, right? So this gets the job done, and it's great for multitasking. That is the main purpose, but it also changes the layout, right? So obviously it doesn't only change the shape or the size of the window, it also adjusts the buttons or whatever else is going on inside of the app, right? It will readjust it so it will look like the iPhone app. Another way it could work, or another thing you might have in mind, would be the ability to use a slide over window. So it is like another form of multitasking where we have the ability to like slide an icon from the edge of the display. It depends on the software version because they tried to like remove it and then they brought it back. So it depends on which version you are running, but that is also something that you might be interested in as well. So let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next quick explanations and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.